welcome to Dialysis Warrior. I'm Colin, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're navigating life on dialysis or supporting someone who is, then this is the channel for you. Here we're all about thriving, not just surviving. Living with dialysis can be challenging, but trust me, it doesn't have to hold you back. I know from experience. I started this channel because I've been on this journey myself for about 4 years now. During that time, I've learned that with the right mindset, practical advice, and the right tips, and you know what? Just the right attitude can really mean the difference between having just a horrible time and just feeling crappy to actually living a normal life and dialysis just being a part of it. I've actually learned how to do that, and I am here to teach you how. This is more than a channel, it's a community. So hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment below to tell me a little bit about your journey. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you for being here. Together we'll turn challenges into opportunities. You've got this. See you in the next video.